Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by installing and importing a cookie helper so you don't reinvent the wheel. Use JS Cookie for client operations or Universal Cookie if you need server rendering. Once installed, import it at the top of your component file. Next, create or choose a stable storage pattern. Single file utilities work best. Initialize a wrapper function to set, get, and remove cookies. This makes later changes simple. Make sure to pick consistent names and cookie attributes now to avoid conflicts later. You now handle the core operations: set, read, and configure options. When setting, pass options like expires in days, path, secure, and same site to control scope and security. Once set, read with get or get JSON. Prefer get JSON for JSON encoded values. For predictable behavior, centralize option logic, one helper that applies secure flags in production and local flags in development. Also, make explicit conversions for booleans and numbers because cookies are strings. This prevents subtle. You finish by syncing cookies with React state, cleaning up and handling errors. After setting or removing, update local state or context so components re-render immediately. For cleanup, remove cookies with matching path and domain options to ensure deletion. If you use server-side rendering, serialize cookies from headers on the server and hydrate state on the client. If things go wrong, check domain, path, secure, and same site flags first. Mismatches are the most common cause of missing or persistent cookies.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.